why ChatGPT can destroy your ClickBank affiliate marketing business in 2026. Now, why I'm saying this? Because so many people have been asking me every day, what is happening? I try to use ChatGPT AI to make my Google ad pay-per-click campaigns or YouTube ads or Facebook ads or even TikTok ads promoting ClickBank offers or MaxWeb offers. And I had a look, I checked and I see what AI can do if you're not expert in affiliate marketing, if you're not expert on psychology of ads, if you're not expert on knowing exactly what works and what moves the needle with traffic and conversions in 2026. You see, what AI cannot do is when your ads are tanking, when you're losing money, AI won't be there with you on Thursday night at 9 p.m. or 11 p.m. and trying to convert or make your ads or landing page convert again. It won't. Yes, you can get the information. AI and ChatGPT can explain affiliate marketing and ClickBank in 30 seconds or less, but they won't make you profitable. They won't make your Google ad campaign profitable. How I know this? I'm speaking from personal experience. I'm running ads for years. I'm super affiliate. I traveled to over 69 countries, and you can check on my Instagram, my Facebook, because of being super affiliate, because I'm promoting different affiliate offers 24/7. Okay? So I know how ads work, how psychology of ads work. ChatGPT can give you information, but what you need is real transformation. You need to become super affiliate, become someone who can actually get sustainable results for yourself and your family in 2026. Okay? Yes, anyone can connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay? Anyone can use their laptop, open it and ask AI, but not anyone can get affiliate commissions. Okay? Get paid every single day, every single week with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner wondering, okay, so how do I actually can become super affiliate, become profitable in 2026? What you need is this. All you have to do is connect with someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way by hand-holding you and actually give you profitable, scalable results and affiliate campaigns in 2026. Okay? If you look all around you, yes, people are making money online. The reason why Facebook, Google and YouTube are such a billion-dollar companies is because people are spending money every single day. Millions of dollars every single day on Facebook ads, on Google ads, different businesses. Okay, otherwise why would they be wasting money, millions a day, if they wouldn't be making profits back? So that's the only way Google make profits, with ad spend, with marketing. Okay? But you have to know, ChatGPT can absolutely waste your time and money in 2026 if you are not already experienced marketer, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're just blindly following some information. In 2026, you need transformation and real leadership, one-on-one personal relationship to get to where you want to go. Okay? If you want to get to $500 a day, $1,000 a day, yes, it's possible. It's doable. How it works? Most people are afraid to spend money on ads. And it's not your fault. Why? Because you think, I'm going to lose money. No, how it actually works is, in the worst case scenario, you spend $50 in one day or $10 in one day, and you get, let's say, if you are really worst case scenario, $40 back, because you are testing. But day 2, day 3, we are scaling. We are slowly increasing ad budget as we get results, as we get data. And this is economics, the math behind affiliate marketing. Okay? There are low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, males and females, and language patterns and data must be and should be different if you want to be profitable and successful in 2026. Okay? The only way you can do this, to take a shortcut, let's call it shortcut, or fast forward yourself in 2026, is by actually having someone who can help you over the Zoom call, one-on-one, step-by-step, 30 minutes a day, every other day, set up affiliate campaign and get it up and running. Okay? Without making any videos, without showing your face on camera, if you're not comfortable with having a landing page, website, sending people, audiences, traffic to your affiliate link and converting it on ClickBank. Especially with Google pay-per-click ads, because it's all about buyers, clicks, You don't need a lot of clicks. Many gurus are selling you idea of you need to get viral. No, you don't need millions of clicks. You need the right type of clicks. The ones who buy, who actually purchase ClickBank weight loss product or dating product or baby niche, right? I love baby niche. Okay, I have a daughter. I know how it works. So I know psychology of stay-at-home moms, single moms. I know all those things because I personally experienced many things myself. So I know what converts, what doesn't. Okay, and AI and ChatGPT won't solve your problems in 2026. Definitely not. That's like saying, yeah, I'm going to do a surgery, brain surgery, asking, instead of going to doctor, asking ChatGPT, what do you think should you expect? Okay, same thing with affiliate marketing. It's all about human beings. At the end of the day, are you selling or promoting to ChatGPT, AI robots? Or are the buyers of ClickBank products human beings like me and you watching this video right now? Okay, that should give you the honest, truthful answer. So if you're looking to get results, consistent and sustainable in 2026, all you have to do is connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you, showing you exact results so you can get the real transformation and become a super affiliate in 2026. So if you have any questions, exactly how to put this into actionable steps in 2026, there's my WhatsApp number, my personal cell phone number, of course, my email, my Instagram and Facebook Messenger, where you can connect with me if you are not excuse maker, procrastinator, but actually action taker who wants something more for you, maybe your spouse, maybe your kids, maybe your family, your parents in 2026. Again, thank you for watching this video.